Hi, my name is Tina. Join along as I try to minimalist prep for distance learning, elementary edition. To begin, I sharpened a bunch of pencils. Luckily, I never had to prep writing materials when my child attended in-class learning. For an added fun, I added stencils, scented pencils. As you know, I'm in a quick and easy DIY journey with an aim to reduce, reuse, and repurpose materials. Using this wall decor stickers and a notebook that has been barely used, I repurposed the book into a journal diary book for my child. Then I went ahead and cleared out the study desk, wiped it down with this DIY disinfectant solution. This solution is so handy and can be made quickly and easily. Do take a look at how I prepped it, link in the description box. I have this bottle right by the computer every single day. Wipe down the shelves, desk, keyboard, mouse. Don't forget to clean behind the computer and your child's headphone. For distance learning, it is a must to have a headphone for Zoom meetings and for others to work peacefully. This headphone is adjustable and has a big volume rotary control knob. To keep the table as minimalist as possible, on the lower shelf I displayed pencil crayons and pencils for easy access. On the second shelf, headphone and dual tang folders are ready. For distance learning, your child will work on printed papers. Dual tang folders are great to keep everything in place. On the top shelf are staplers and 3-hole punchers. And here is the journal entry book. Next item that is a must to have is a comfortable chair. This chair has an adjustable backrest and height. That's it with the study table preparation. Keep table as minimalist as possible. This table can get crowded easily over time. We have the essentials: a desk, chair, laptop, monitor, keyboard, mouse, writing materials, and a journal book. Next, I decided to reuse this huge carton box and convert it into a nice reading space for my child. Distance learning can be so tough on little kids. They have to sit in front of the computer for a number of hours each day. For a library session, as much as possible, try to have a quiet reading session with the physical book. To create a fun little reading space, here I cut off the flaps to have a wide opening. Reuse the flap and tape it down for a sturdier backrest. Again, reuse the flaps and tape it down to form a roof. To make it inviting, add some fun pillows. Then, with this handy caddy, I created a small activity reading-writing space for my 1-year-old. I added small hardcover books, boogie board, keyboard, and suction toys. Here is the progress report with the reading corner beside the study table. I absolutely love it. In the adjacent room is the bookshelf. I cleaned the books out and decided to rearrange the books and place all of them in the lower 2 shelves for an easy access for both kids. To arrange these beautiful books, I ordered them by size, by authors when possible, by festivals when possible. After arranging the books, I put the books back onto the 2 bottom shelves for easy access. Here you go, our in-home library space. Finally, for first day of school prezi, I packed these cute little animal erasers into this DIY toilet paper roll gift box. Link in the description below on how to create one of your own. And a cute little clipboard card for a successful school year. That's it for my minimalist prep for distance learning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. I upload every Mondays. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well. Be sure to watch this video on how I turned toilet paper rolls into gift boxes and how to make a disinfectant solution using hydrogen peroxide. You will be glad that you did.